I learn English. I learn English every day. I think learning English is important. English is a global language. Many people around the world speak English. It helps me communicate with others. I learn English in many ways. I take English classes at school. My teacher is very nice. She helps me with grammar and vocabulary. We read stories and do exercises. Sometimes, we listen to English songs. I like to sing along. It makes learning fun. At home, I study English too. I have a workbook. I do exercises every evening. I write sentences and learn new words. I use a dictionary to understand the meaning of words. I write the words in my notebook. I repeat them to remember better. I also watch English videos on the internet. The videos are helpful. They teach me how to pronounce words. Some videos have subtitles. I read the subtitles to understand. Sometimes, I pause the video and repeat words. It helps me improve my speaking. Listening is an important skill. I listen to English audiobooks. The books are interesting. I learn new words and phrases. I also listen to English podcasts. They talk about different topics. I practice listening every day. It helps me understand spoken English. Speaking is the hardest part for me. I practice speaking with my friends. We talk in English. We ask questions and give answers. Sometimes, we make mistakes. It is okay to make mistakes. We learn from our mistakes. We try to speak better next time. I also talk to myself in English. When I am alone, I practice speaking. I say simple sentences. I talk about my day or my plans. It helps me get used to speaking English. I also practice in front of a mirror. I watch my mouth and lips. It helps me with pronunciation. Reading is fun. I read English books for beginners. The books have simple sentences. They are easy to understand. I also read English newspapers. The news is interesting. It is a good way to learn new vocabulary. Sometimes, I read English stories online. The stories are exciting. Writing in English is not easy. I practice writing every day. I write short sentences first. Then, I write longer paragraphs. I write about my hobbies and my family. I write about what I like and what I don't like. It helps me organize my thoughts in English. I learn grammar rules too. Grammar is important in English. I learn about tenses, prepositions, and articles. Sometimes, the rules are confusing. I ask my teacher for help. She explains the rules to me. I do exercises to practice grammar. It is boring sometimes, but it helps me a lot. I also learn English idioms. Idioms are fun to learn. They are phrases with special meanings. For example, it's raining cats and dogs means it is raining heavily. Learning idioms makes my English sound natural. People like to use idioms in conversations. Pronunciation is also important. I learn how to pronounce English words correctly. Some words are difficult. I listen to native speakers and repeat after them. I practice tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are fun. They help me move my mouth and tongue correctly. I learn English spelling too. English spelling is not easy. Many words do not look the way they sound. I use spelling games to practice. I also write words many times. It helps me remember the spelling. My teacher gives me spelling tests. I try my best to get a good score. Vocabulary is very important. I learn new words every day. I write down the words I hear. I make flashcards to remember the words. I write the English word on one side and the meaning on the other side. I play memory games with the flashcards. It is a fun way to learn. Sometimes, I watch English movies. Movies are a good way to learn. The actors speak fast, but I try to understand. I like to watch movies with subtitles. If I do not understand, I pause the movie. I listen again and try to catch the words. Watching movies helps me learn real English. I also play English games. Games make learning fun. I play word search games and crossword puzzles. I also play online games that teach English. They are interactive. I learn new words and practice grammar while playing. It makes studying feel like a game. Practice makes perfect. I practice English every day. Even if I am busy, I find time to study. I set goals for myself. My goal is to learn 5 new words every day. I also want to improve my speaking and writing. I work hard to reach my goals. Sometimes, learning English is hard. I feel tired or frustrated. But I do not give up. I take a short break and come back to study. I believe that hard work will pay off. My English will get better if I keep practicing. I learn English because I want to travel. I want to visit many countries. English will help me communicate with people. I can ask for directions or order food in English. I can make friends from different countries. It is exciting to think about. I also learn English for my future career. Many jobs require English. If I speak English, I can work in different countries. I can work in a big company or be a tour guide. English gives me many opportunities. It is important for my future. English is the language of the internet. Many websites are in English. If I know English, I can learn many things online. I can watch tutorials, read news, and join online courses. It helps me improve my skills. Sometimes, I have trouble with pronunciation. The TH sound is hard for me. I practice saying words like think and this. I also practice the R sound. It is different from my native language. I keep practicing to sound better. I learn English from music too. I love listening to English songs. The lyrics are beautiful. I sing along with the music. It helps me learn new words and improve my pronunciation. Music makes learning fun and enjoyable.